A Ana e a Lúcia estavam aqui a salo.
Mas quem é que ias? Foram elas?
Não, não, trouxeram ali da...
Oh.
That was really good though.
Os clientes a entrarem e a saírem devem estar a olhar para... Poxa, aquelas é que sabem comer bem. Aquilo é que é mesmo estilo português.
I would.
They don't look at the camera.
I have a cosmopolitan mix.
Oh.
My birthday is coming up.
Andreas, no? I think Andreas comes first.
It's Marley, me, then Andrea. I'm trying not to shake it. It looks
This is the Facebook moment. You guys are documenting this?
YouTube.
This is gonna get posted on Facebook.
Olha, Lucy.
I'm gonna post it on Facebook. I want the video. This is lunchtime on Memorial Day weekend.
Olha, now they're posting.